From now on, LED mono RF key switch is available in a new black color. Elegant and modern design is now available in two classic variants, black and white, perfectly fitting in any interior. Distinctive feature of the switch is its classic appearance, similar to standard light switches. Thanks to battery power and wireless RF communication with the controller, it does not require any wiring for power or communication, making it exceptionally universal and easy to install. With RF wireless control technology, you can manage lighting from a distance of up to 30 meters. A simple touch of the switch allows precise light intensity adjustment in 3 levels: 100%, 50%, and 0%. The biggest advantage of the switch is its ability to connect a large amount of LED lighting with a power of up to 12 amps, meaning 144 watts at 12 volts DC and 288 watts at 24 volts DC. Simple surface mounting eliminates the need for complicated installation, providing quick and convenient use. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and commercial spaces. Create an atmosphere tailored to your needs. Choose modernity and convenience. LED mono RF key switch combines style and functionality. Check it out now. Find out more about the wireless button switch on DesignLight EU. Want to stay updated with DesignLight's latest news? Subscribe to our channel and follow our social media. See you soon.